back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Anmol and I just hope that you all are doing absolutely fine. So in today's video, I'm going to do like a proper intense black smoky look, as most of the girls are not aware how to do the smoky eye. Whenever they just start with a smoky eye, their eyes look so horrible, and that is not the point. Today I will tell you the mistakes that you do and the proper way to do that look. And if you want to learn this look, please keep on watching. First of all, you need to understand that whenever you are going to do your heavy eyes or you are going to do your dark eyes, always try to do your eyes first at that moment, because whenever there will be fallout, your base will be ruined or your underneath base will be ruined. I'm going to do my eyes first. Like, first of all, I will do my brows, and for my brow product, I am using this PAC Super Brow Cream in the shade 02, and I've used a little bit of this pomade because it is my new purchase. I'm totally loving this product. It has the creamy texture. After the Anastasia brow pomade one, I'm loving this pomade a lot, and whenever you use the pomade or these type of gel liners or pomades, always try to cover it, because जब भी fan के contact में आएगा, your product will be dried. Obviously regenerated with the Inglot Duraline, then you have to purchase it, otherwise your product will be ruined. First of all, I'm going to take the spoolie and just brush my hair. मतलब hairs अपने place पर आ जाए. I will use that. And now I just know कि कहाँ कहाँ fill करनी है. I will have the right idea. Taking my product, just outlining my brows. As per my brows doesn't need that much filling, but then also it is already so, bold by the God only. I don't need anything specific. And in my front part, up strokes. Can you see that this pomade filled my cut very easily? So I am just loving this product a lot. So my brows is done. Now jumping onto my eyes. And for my concealer, I am taking this Daily Forever 52 concealer in the shade COV003 and directly applying on my eyelids. Taking my concealer brush to just have that clear look. Applying the base on your eyelids is very important. Otherwise, whenever you will apply the eyeshadow, it will not pop out its natural or its actual color. And always try to apply the base. You can use the eye primers, or you can just use the concealer and set it with the loose powder, white or skin colored eyeshadow. Your eye primer will be ready and your eye base will be ready. Now I'm going to take my beauty blender to blend my eye base. As whenever you have to do the proper intense smoky eye, or you just want कि हाँ long time आपकी smoky eye रहे, always apply the gel liners as your black base. Otherwise, whenever you want like a बिल्कुल small span of time के लिए smoky look, then you can directly go with the eyeshadow and then blend it with the browns. That will be more than enough for you. But for long term, like for long span of time, use this gel liners as your base. And the gel liner I am using is from the Inglot in the number 77, and I am mixing it with the Inglot Duraline because my gel liners are like dried up. As I told you, open mat chodo, this will be ruined, and it is ruined. To regenerate, I am adding some Inglot Duraline just to regenerate this. I am taking this pencil brush and applying on my eyelid. Don't go above the crease line, otherwise it will not look good. बहुत ज़्यादा ड्रावनी eyes हो जाएंगी. Don't try this, and try to apply just near to your lash line. intense होना चाहिए आपकी lash line के पास, और यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा down. Don't need to be so perfect while applying this. Just apply roughly. Really do like a smoky eye, because I want my eyes should be opened with the bright colors and all. I always do like brighten looks and very rarely smoky eye, but I love smoky eye. उससे मेहनत बहुत होती है, and that is also one reason I don't like to do that. And just blending its edges with the same brush. The smoky eyes took a lot of time, but it's obviously it looks so amazing on the eyes. done with my black base, and now I need to blend this edges for more clear look, and for that I'm using this Morphe X James Charles palette, as it has a beautiful neutral shade. Matlab all neutral shades are there, and you can totally create a very beautiful smoky look from this palette. I'm again taking a pencil brush and I'm taking this burnt orangish type of color and a mixture of dark brown. Moving my excess and just applying. But my edges are starting, and don't think कि हाँ ये color उतर रहा है. You need to blend, reapply, because this is the only thing you need to do in the smoky eye. Here we just need to build up a gradient effect. I'm taking this thoda sa flatter brush and I'm taking this orange shade and again blending it. At this point you will see that हाँ पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है, this is not looking good, but just wait for the end. Taking this brush and taking my black shade again, like a eyeshadow black, applying on my eyelid, not above my crease line. Taking my brown, dark brown shade and again blending the edges. And lastly taking my fluffier brush and just blending the edges. So you can see that how good blended my smoky eye is looking, and this should be your outcome after a lot of blending and a proper like doing smoky eye. This should be your output. See, we have started with this and we ended up with this. So blending is only the game, always remember that. And for more cleaner and the sharper look, I'm taking my wet wipe and applying a micellar water on top of that. This trick will just ensure my eyes are more lifted up and my eyes are not dulled. And now you can see that my smoky eye is done. To enhance this more, I'm taking this white shimmer, like proper white shimmer. This is very precisely applying on my brow bone. Now jumping onto my face. For my moisturizer, I'm using the Body Shop Vitamin E Moisturizer Cream and applying a very good quantity of my cream. Just warming the product in my palm to activate it, and this is very good lightweight moisturizer and moisturize my skin very well. So guys, I will try to just link the products in the description box. If you want to buy any product, you can definitely and purchase from there. So I'm done with my moisturizer and I have to wait for 20 to 30 seconds to just settle in my skin, and otherwise I will apply any product on top of that, like a foundation or any, then it will slip off. I have to wait for 20 to 30 seconds. And for my primer, I'm using this Nykaa Prep Me Up and taking a very like ittu si quantity, बिल्कुल ही minimal सी, warming up in my fingers and applying on my part around the nose, just where I just need little bit. And for my color corrector, I'm using this Elegant color corrector in the shade orange, applying on my underneath my eyes, around the mouth. Just taking my fingers because I don't want के beauty blender सारा product मेरा soak कर ले और इसका कोई भी effect ना हो, बिल्कुल nullify हो जाए. I don't want that. So fingers give me appropriate, color of this product. My corrector is done and I just want this much of corrector. This much is more than enough. Now to cut down this corrector, I'm using this Elegant Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn, which is somehow darker than my skin tone, like 1 to 2 shades darker than my skin tone only. This product will just ensure that कि मेरा orange जौन सा corrector है वो मेरे foundation में mix ना हो. For this product, I'm using my beauty blender, like lightly blending it. And for my foundation, I'm using this Shock Peril Face Cover Foundation in the shade FSC04. And just taking 2 pumps of this, which is more than enough. How good coverage this foundation is giving to me. concealer, I'm using this NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer and applying underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, center of the forehead, my cupid bow, my chin and thoda sa round the mouth. In my under eye concealer, I'm taking the tip of my beauty blender. And to set my face, I'm using this RCMA powder, white powder. I'm setting with it with the white translucent powder because I flashback. Because I'm doing a smoky look and it just dulls my face. So this part will pop up my face very well. My face has been baked. I can totally add the glitter in my eyes, but I don't want to because this is the full intense look. Again, using my black gel liner and applying on my waterline. Because the steps we have done on our upper eyelid, we have to repeat the same on our lower lash line. Like this, in a small pencil brush, in this orange shade and this maroonish shade. Now to dust off my powder from my face, I'm using this powder brush and पर थोड़ा सा compact लगा के I will dust off my powder because ये ना हो कि मैं जहाँ powder उतारूँ वहीं से मेरा base भी उतरना start हो जाए. And for my lashes, I'm using this L'Oreal Paradise mascara and first coating my upper lashes and then I will coat my lower lashes. My lashes are done now. Jumping onto my contour and I'm using this Forever 52 contour palette and again taking on my rounder brush. Let me set my mirror and applying contour on my face to make it more slim. So guys, if you want to learn how to contour or how to bronze or want to know the major difference between those, the link will be in the description box. Go and check that out. I have made a full-fledged video of that step and if you are interested then please go and watch it. And for my blusher, I'm using this K Beauty Coral Charm blusher, a beautiful blusher. I'm totally in love with this blusher, of very good pigmentation, like not so chalky or something. I'm totally in love with this. This has the beautiful pinkish and coralish mixture. Like pigmentation is A level guys, A level. Submerging this too, like contour and my blusher के ये ना हो लाइंस अलग अलग दिखें ब्लशर और कंटोर की. Always do this step. थोड़ा सा on the nose, chin. Now taking my beauty blender and just tapping. For my highlighter, I'm using this Becca Champagne Pop. I broke this very badly. Now applying on the highest point of my face, again submerging into my blusher and contour. And for my inner corner, I'm taking the same highlighter just to make ensure my eyes are more opened up because I have done the black smoky eye and extra highlighter never hurts. So done with my highlighter. Guys, if I will apply the dark lips like a red lip or dark lip, then my whole attention will be grabbed onto my lips, which I don't want. I have done so much on my eyes and my lips should be like more subtle. It will look more attractive. My attention will be on this part, not on this part. And for my lip liner, I am using my all-time favorite Nykaa lip liner in the shade Pillow Fight, making the natural lip shape. My lipper, I am using this 2000 Kisses Diana London shade in the number 17 and this is the very beautiful shade. So guys, with this my smoky look is done, like a proper intense smoky eye is done with the nude lips and it is the perfect go-to look and you can do with any outfit as per your choice. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it. Until then, bye, take care and I will see you in my next video.